Okay.
Ketchup?
Yep. Alright, look where we are. That's right. We are at my grandma's house in Hartford, Wisconsin.
You want to get ketchup out?
Sure.
It's on the door.
Door?
On the left side.
This side?
Left side.
Oh.
No, that's right. The left side of the right door. In the middle?
On the middle?
It should be in there. I'm hungry. This one. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Ketchup's back here. Way in the back.
Look at that light. I like that light.
It is a cool light.
He'll take a closer look at it. See? Do you know what type it is? That's right. It's not fluorescent. It's not incandescent. And it's not blue either. That's right. They're LED lights. That's right.
You just need your fries warm, right?
Yeah. This is my grandma's first fridge with an LED light. That's right. There it is.
Here. Here you go. Hold on. I'll get you some juice.
Wait, I'll be right back up. I have to bring the plate down first.
You come down to the bottom of the stairs and get your drink.
There we go. That's right, I have hamburgers and fries. Uh-oh.
Here you go. Eat and enjoy.
Oh, there's the table with my baby Einstein. Neptune Ocean Orchestra. Neptune's Ocean Orchestra. Yeah. It's more similar than the Fisher Price Sparkling Symphony Composed and Play Orchestra.